Great, thanks, Bridget. I'm going to be doing pretty much about the voice and the delivery of the voice. I'm going to be talking about prosody, which is the rhythm and the sound and the inflection of your voice. And I'm also going to be talking about pitch and how you can use your vocal range to be more expressive and more engaging with your audience. And also pace, which is a very, very effective tool for keeping your audience immersed within your message.
That sounds fabulous. So, for my part, I'm going to be looking at the content. So, really, what kind of questions you need to ask yourself about your audience before you even sit down to write those first words. Then we'll be looking a little bit about language. So, how to pitch the language to the audience. Are they experts? Can you use jargon? Are they, not English speakers? Is it English a second language? So, we'll be looking at it from the language point of view so that you can keep your audience engaged throughout your presentation.
That sounds amazing, Bridget. When's it going to be?
This month is going to be on December the 7th. That's the Tuesday evening at 7 p.m. It's 1 hour. And just a reminder that every single webinar includes a physical warm-up with me, so about letting the tension out of your body, which is important before you speak. A vocal warm-up with you, Jimmy, where you take us through a whole load of crazy fun exercises. And also there'll be a breakout group where this time it will be Jimmy giving some exercises for you to do amongst yourselves.
Wonderful. I'm really looking forward to it. Are you, Bridget?
I am, because when I was an interpreter, I realized how many speakers never consider their audience. So now I always try to help people to make sure they consider that aspect and they really believe in delivering something strong for their audience.
So we'll see you all on the 7th of December at 7 p.m. UK time, and it's free. So why not?
Yeah, why not? See you there. Thanks. Bye.